decoring festival, you say. What do mamas do at home? We clean our house.
And make rangoli.
And who else will say?
Make rangoli. And light diva.
You light divas.
And we make rangoli.
Yes.
And we do decoration.
Yes.
And we
Lanterns.
and we put all that. And we do puja.
Diwali, mamas have never told you the story. Okay? So 24th Tirthankar Bhagwans are there. We all know. And who's the 24th Bhagwan? Mahavir Swamiji. Okay? Now Mahavir Swamiji. Let's start with his Swamiji born. Who was his mama? Okay? His mama was Trishula Mata. So this is the first Kalyanak. You know, whenever Tirthankar Bhagwan is born, this is the first Kalyanak called Shyavan Kalyanak. When Bhagwan is in mama's womb, is yet to be born, develop. Now he is born. Look, and you know what? Whenever a god is born, no, Indra Dev comes from the heaven. Yes, so that is the second Kalyanak, Janma Kalyanak. And now, then after when he's grown up, he takes his mama and papa's permission and he takes Diksha. He takes Diksha. Yeah. And now he's taking a Diksha under the tree. Okay? Look. And he's doing the Lodge. He's taking Diksha. And now this is the third Kalyanak. Diksha Kalyanak. Mahavir Swamiji, he took Diksha when he was 30 years old. And after 12 years, he got Keval Jnana. He can understand what Naira is going to do at home. He can understand what Shana has already eaten in the breakfast.
How?
Keval Jnana means they know everything. Present, past, future. Everything about everyone. Because when they get this Keval Kalyana, Keval Jnana, they see. And when they get the Keval Jnana, all the gods again come down and they make them wear a special garland. So we did 4. First was Shyavan, everybody, Shyavan, Janma, Diksha, and then Keval. Keval Jnana ho gaya. There were 11 brothers. How many? You ask him any question, any language, he knows. Who was he? Indrabhuti. And this Indrabhuti, the eldest one, they were doing one yajna. Now Indrabhuti is impressed. He knows everything about me. And you know what? Indrabhuti, he became the first student. Who is he? And now even stood there about Gautam Swamiji. Okay, let's join hands. अंगूठे अमृत वसे लब्धि तना भंडार श्री गुरु गौतम समरिये वांछित फलदातार. Whatever, this is Samavasaran. What is this? Samavasaran. And in this Samavasaran, there are 3 layers. Silver, golden and diamond. Chaudas. And Mahavir Swamiji knew that now he is going to go to Siddhashila. Where is he going to go? He went to a place called Rujuvalika and he sat like this. And then he closed his eyes. He was in this Kausak Mudra only. This Kausak head. The end of that, when he sat like this, directly. First, where was he? Here, in the Samavasaran. Now he knew that he is going to go to Siddhashila. He went to Rujuvalika, the place, and sat in this position. And after few seconds, he went to Siddhashila. He went here. Mahavir Swamiji went. Gautam Swamiji came. That king was convinced. And then he came. And what he saw, everybody was sad. He was walking and coming and he looked at the faces of everybody. Everybody is crying. Mahavir Swamiji has got the Nirvan Kalyanak, the Moksha Kalyanak. Gautam Swamiji felt so bad. He just couldn't stop his tears. Mahavir Swamiji didn't understand only about me. I loved him so much. I cared for him so much. But he never cared for me. He was just a teacher and a student. Unnecessarily, I was just behind this rag. You know what is rag? When you love something. And when he cried, and then he understood that it was all these things which are not going to help him. Now he knew that we should not be so much loving or hate anyone. And then he was neutral. He got Keval Gnan. Now Mahavir Swamiji got Nirvan Kalyanak. He got Keval Gnan. So when Chaudas and Amavas, after 15 days, it is going to be Chaudas and Amavas. As Mahavir Swamiji gave Deshna. So now everybody was sad. It was dark everywhere. Our God is not there. Who will make us understand? Everybody started crying. Then half day went. Another next morning, people thought, Gautam Swamiji is there, no? And our God has gone to Moksha. We should be happy. And that's how they started lighting diyas. We will light diyas. And they started making rangoli. And we started celebrating Diwali. So why do we celebrate Diwali as a Jain? When our Mahavir Swamiji went to Moksha, to Siddhashila, and Gautam Swamiji, the midnight only, he got Keval Gnan. That is why we celebrate Diwali.
ये दिन जहां में हर कहीं भर दे रोशनी उसी के प्यार की दिल दिल से वो मिला दे हर चेहरा वो खिला दे रुत लाए आज खुशियों की उसने कहा कि जब मैं कहूँ आएगा वो मेरे लिए, आएगा वो मेरे लिए।